piece of information that you would want the children to know?
I don't know, what would you say? There's everything about it. Well, I always, when I was a young kid, I loved the shot on the bog. I absolutely adored it now. I don't know why. I just loved it. We all did. I loved it because we go to the bog.
There was somewhere to go.
And then we got the other kids playing, and we got to try to pick up. We often made friends for life after that. I was now just met in the bog. That's no lie. We were friends for the bog. And the food. I have to say the food. We look forward to it. Go back home at night and you get the lovely food and everything for up to the apple tart and the rhubarb tart. Remember the rhubarb tart was a big thing that time after the bog. I'm talking September now, before the truffle, and not like now, May or June. But that time we bringing home the truffle as well and more treats. I loved every minute of the bog. God forgive me, I'm saying now I'm 77. I loved every minute of the bog. I hope all the kids follow on.
We didn't only rear the child. We had to bring it home as well. And stack it up at home. So we were nearly 6 months of the year.
Oh yeah, 6 months.
Doing the turf altogether.
And maybe more, but
from start to finish.
More, yeah. But we all look forward to the lovely food after.
Yes, yeah.
And
we were contented then because we knew we had our fire for the winter, the whole winter, till the following winter.
And how would you get down to the bog and back?
Little bike. My mother would give me a plastic bag and she put it on the saddle if Kim was rain that you could have a dry saddle to ride home. Used to give us a plastic bag and put it on top of the saddle. And that's it, and we enjoyed it.
Well, we went once on a little pony
and trap. Pony and trap, yeah, pony and trap.
Dolly was on it. She was only about that size.
Everybody a horse
and she, myself and my sister, we decided to go up on the pony and trap. And the pony see something and ran away and I said, I think Bridget was with me and she was crying her eyes out and I pulled the donkey back. I nearly pulled his thing out of his mouth. And Daddy come along in the car. Daddy was the only one that had a car in the vicinity that year. And he drove in front of us and caught out of the pony. I thought, he said never again.
No, see,
because she would not stay quiet. She got fair fight. She would have been in that bayou in about 10 minutes. This was on the main.
I know, on the main
road.
Just kept going.
And Lily, you said your daddy was the only one in the vicinity with the car.
And he was the only one.
What was your daddy's name?
Matty.
And what year are we talking? What year are we talking?
We're talking.
Geez, that'd be early.
Oh my God. 50, 60 years.
Late 40s, early 80s.
70s.
Late 40s.
Late 50s.
Like I was born in 30 years.
Yeah, that's right. Late 50s, yeah.
Late 50s, yeah.
Big times.
They were the good old days, Lord.
Look at this.
We really enjoyed every minute.
I think we enjoyed it because the freedom, you see, the freedom is what you see.
Oh, the Bohermeen bog, a bog